In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link your daily work button to a calendar. So I am going to go up here to edit on my home page. And when I do that, it is going to allow me to relink my button. So I'm going to scroll down here to the daily work button. I'm going to click on that. And right now it is, let's say, linked to the November calendar, and I want it to now be linked to the December calendar. I am going to click on this little arrow to the right of the chain link. I'm going to click on remove link. And then I'm going to go to course links by clicking on that same down arrow. I'm going to go to my pages, and I'm going to look for that calendar. So the calendar is called December. So it's right here. So I'm going to click on December. Now it is linked. I'm going to click save. And now when I click on daily work, it is going to take me to the December calendar.